A $9.4 million investment, 10 partners, thousands of oysters, clams, seagrass shoots, and mangrove plantings, all working towards one bold goal: restoring life to the Indian River Lagoon. Today, we're talking with Dr. Dwayne DeFries, Executive Director of the IRLNEP, and Kevin Walker, the project manager behind one of the largest, most collaborative restoration efforts ever undertaken in this estuary. What does it take to bring a lagoon back to life? And how do you get that many people rowing in the same direction? We're discussing the IRLNEP NOAA grant today on One Lagoon, One Voice.